Hello friends, today I want to share one of the small cap company stock with all of you, and that is the company name is Mega Flex Plastic Limited. This company share is running at rupees 42 and the book value of company is also 41 rupees. There is more chance to grow this company in near future, and the promoters holding in this share is 73%, and foreign institutional investor also increased their holding in December quarter. So from the future perspective, this can grow in near future. The company manufactures two types of product, two types of bags, which is used for the modern and latest storing capacity. The modern and latest technique to store, to package and to transport fruit and vegetables and commercial and industrial product. The bags which is manufactured by this company, the brand name of the product of the company is Leno bags, which is used for transportation, storage and packaging of fruits and vegetables and commercial and industrial product, and it also export to European country also. So if you want to invest some ideal funds in this small cap company, you can invest for your long term purpose. The company sales growth is also very good. The company constantly making profit, and the one of the great thing of this company is it is totally debt free company. There is no debt at all on this company, and the 73% of promoters holding shows confidence in this company. So I also invest some amount in this company for long term purpose. You can also invest in this penny stock small cap company for long term purpose, but this information is only for education purpose. I will not responsible for any profit or loss which is incurred by you if you invest in this company. I just want to convey all information about this company to all of you, so I make this video. Take your own decision, but from the long term point of view, this stock is very good for investment. Thank you all of you. Mega Flex Plastic Limited, which is running at rupees 42.